Hey, it's Jess from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through some exercises to decompress the neck. So this is really nice for opening up the neck and freeing those muscles. So first of all, you're going to interlace your fingers behind the head and just place the edges of your palms up underneath the lumpy point behind your ears. So what we're going to do from here is you're going to lift up with your hands, just decompressing, lifting the head off the shoulders, just as far as comfortable. So this shouldn't be painful. You might feel a little stretch through certain muscles, maybe one side more than the other. And then you're going to pause at the top and then just slowly reduce your pressure. Again, you're going to lift up, just encouraging a rise in those points under your palms and then coming down. So you're going to do 6 to 8 of those. And that will start us going. The next exercise in this sequence is to go into a side bending movement. And as you go into a side bending movement, again, you're encouraging, the top hand there is encouraging the decompression of the neck or the stretch of the neck as you go. So the lower hand is more supportive and passive, and the upper hand will create more stretch on the neck there. So again, not going to the point of pain. 7 out of 10, intensity maximum. So you're going to do 6 of those with a side bending involved too. You might get a click out of that. That's fine. And just go at your own pace. And then go and do your 6 on the other side.